In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a watch list in TradingView. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the top right here on your chart, and you want to click on this button, which is the watch list button, okay? So click on that, and then from here, you can see it says watch list at the bottom. Now, this should be available automatically, so it's going to pop up anyways, and if you want to add it, you can just, of course, click on the plus button over here, and you can add different things, like different symbols or stocks or whatever you want on here with, of course, the click of this plus button over here next to the thing you want to add, just like that. Okay, as you can see, things are getting added over here just like this. Now that's the first way to do that. However, if you want to add a new watch list, you will have to have one of their premium subscriptions on TradingView, but you can just click on the watch list over here, click on create new list, and then you'll be able to create a new one just like that, and of course then add it over here and add whatever you want onto it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.